So what you'll need is, of course, edamame beans. Some time ago I discovered this brand and I really love it because these are quite delicious and they also come with instructions. The easiest way to make these, in my experience, is just by using your microwave. Put them in a pot and cover them with some plastic foil and you're good to go. Today I will show you how to spice things up by adding some soy sauce. You can go as far as adding mirin, some sesame oil, whatever seasoning you like, but I found this to be the most straightforward and easy way to make these because you don't always have mirin, you don't always have sesame oil. If you have that at home, by all means use it. And finally, some sesame seeds. Here I have a mixture of black and just plain old toasted sesame seeds, just for the aesthetic of it. And that's basically it. You actually only need 2 ingredients and a third one for the fancy decoration. Let's do this. So let's take a pan and of course put it on a fire. I forgot to mention in the ingredients we will also be using some olive oil to fry our beans in. You can use whatever oil you like. Now let it get hot. Once your oil is a little bit hotter than usual, what kind of instruction is that, hotter than usual? Once your oil is hot, add in the beans. Make sure that the beans are still frozen and didn't defrost yet. Spread them around in the pan. Try to do that with a spatula or by not touching the pan like I almost did with my bare hands. Pro tip, give them a good coating of olive oil and then just cover them with a lid. A normal person would use a lid, but since we don't have one, we're going to do it with aluminum foil. Put your fire on medium and let them fry while stirring from time to time for, I'd say, roughly 5 to 10 minutes. If they start opening up, they're almost done. You have to just take one and taste it. If they're nice and soft, we're going to go to the next step. So roughly 10 minutes later, I've tasted them. They taste good to me. As you can see, they've started to open up. That means they're almost done. Now it's time to add the soy sauce. This is more of a personal preference. I'm using light sauce. You can use whatever sauce you like. And the same for the amount. I'm just going to lightly season it everywhere. Give everything a nice stir. Turn off the fire and they're ready to be served. And there you go. Just serve it in a nice bowl and then just take some sesame seeds and sprinkle it on top, just as a finishing touch for that extra sprinkle. And there you go. It's ready to be served. Jesus Christ. So thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this really delicious and super easy appetizer. If you did, you can always give this video a like and leave a comment in the comment section below. You can always give a suggestion on which hairstyle you want to see in the next video, because I ran out of hats. Now I'm experimenting with my hair. Again, thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye.